in terms of materials, we're obviously gonna need engine oil filter. Man, I like these. I used to use these on my Boxster when I had that, and I had great luck with them. Okay, so in terms of tools for this job, you're just going to need a T20 Torx driver as well as a 7mm socket. So using the T20, go ahead and loosen up the 4 screws here, and then using the 7mm, go ahead and loosen up the hose clamp that holds on to the airbox. Once you have that loose, go ahead and wiggle it out of the way, and then remove this electrical connector at the top by just pushing down on the cap. Once you have that all out of the way, you can go ahead and remove our old engine air filter and give that a little inspection. This one's pretty dirty, not terrible, but definitely time for a new one. We can then go ahead and drop in our brand new filter, taking care to not get it dirty on the way in, and then we can just go ahead and reattach the airbox using the 4 T20 screws, and then reattaching the hose clamp for the little hose that connects to the engine. And then finally reconnecting the electrical connector at the top, making sure not to forget that. And we're all done. Easy job, straightforward, and really important for making sure your engine continues running healthily.